When I say touch it, touch it. Touch it, touch it, touch it. When I say touch it, touch it. When I say touch it. When I say touch it. Then touch it, touch it, touch it. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours African Family. And today is a special day today. This Jam Tours is around the wheels and steels. And today, family, we actually, we tried to, we're actually doing an AG wedding in Kenya. So for anyone who's trying to do that, we'll be able to maybe drop a few tips, and if you want to ask about it, you can maybe guide your family. So we'll be doing an AG wedding here in Kenya, and today we'll be going to actually take our ring size.
We lost them.
So we'll be going to Surrey Center to look at some ring, and we also want to go to the market, family. So I want to share that with you.
I'm going to the market.
Miss Jam Tours, so she want to look pretty today.
Yes, I feel like being pretty.
Yeah,
Feeling
family.
pretty.
Yeah, family. So, we're doing an AG wedding. We have to. What's with you have to get a ring?
Boo boo, we don't need a ring. We don't want to take vows.
We're doing a Babylon wedding. And guys, I'm not really into the Babylon thing. You know what I mean? The government thing.
Actually, today morning I was asking my husband, I need flowers, I need a bouquet.
So you want to treat it like a wedding like Akode?
But of course, no. I just feel like you should just complete the look. It doesn't matter whether there'll be people or
you just want to look good?
Yeah, I need my white gown. I'll be in a gown actually.
That's what Miss Jam Tours said. She want to be in a gown.
And my husband is not even looking for his clothes.
He want to go and take pictures and stuff.
He said, oh, he'll just put on anything. Me, I want a gown, nice shoes, a flower, that thing.
What is more important for me to do a traditional wedding? I don't believe in this white wedding thing.
Oh, traditional wedding doesn't finish. Any Kikuyu in the comment section, he knows what I'm talking about. It's okay. You did process 1. There are 4 or 5 more to go.
Yeah. I don't want to do that just because of paperwork. This world is full of paperwork.
Okay, well that's the problem.
And you have to know to move through this world by using the system. If you can't use the system, then you'll stuck. You don't want to be stuck.
Apparently, I noticed in everywhere you go, it's paperwork. Are you married? Where is the marriage certificate?
Yeah, there you go. Do you have a degree? Do you have all of this? When these things are relevant, And that's the thing, life lesson is more important than this paperwork, family.
Yeah.
But I guess you have to just know to balance it out, and you have to have a life lesson and street knowledge and street life and all kind of these things to maneuver. You know what I mean? If it wasn't for the street life, and I wouldn't be here today living normal. You know what I mean? So guys, for you to do an AG wedding, family, you have to actually go to the e-citizen. You have to be a citizen to have an e-citizen. So I have to use my wife's account to actually book the appointment. You have to have your impediment. Your birth certificate has to be authenticated. You have to have a lot of documents, and stuff. So
yeah, authentication. You need to have a letter of no impediment.
Yeah, all of these things. You know what I mean? So all of these things you have to have.
And we really had to get them because at first when we applied, it was cancelled and stuff.
Yeah, so we have to accent for these things in Jamaica. Big up to DHL. DHL is like a lifesaver, or else I will have to travel back to Jamaica to get these things.
Within 5 days,
yeah, DHL.
5 or 3 days, the thing was here.
Yeah, you just, you know what I mean? You just do a return label, and DHL will actually give you your thing, family. So we really actually someday, really actually big up DHL to make the process easier and stuff. So we appreciate. So I did have to get the birth certificate authenticate and get the impediment from the registrar general office and all of that. DHL get that done for me and stuff, family. So thanks to DHL, and now we have an interview, upcoming interview at the, what do you call it, Sharia House.
Sharia House.
So we'll be going for the interview, And after the interview, then they'll give you the date for the wedding family. So we have to make sure we have everything in order right now. We have to get the ring and some other stuff. So I see you want to do a photo shoot too and stuff, right?
Yeah.
We have to do a photo shoot just for memories for people to see.
For memories, yeah.
Sure, maybe I'll do a vlog and show you guys too
How it will be and
what it
stuff.
is like. AG.
Yeah.
So AG. Yeah, family. So now we're heading to Surrey to show you that, you know, the rings and stuff are looking to get. And you know, and we're heading to the market, so we'll show you a little bit of that. You know. So after the wedding you'll watch all of this video, take it to the process and stuff. And if you're looking to get married in Kenya as a foreigner, you know, you have to sign up for it's a special license you have to get, family.
Yeah.
So once one party is a foreigner. So do you want the juice here or what?
Yes.
I have to withdraw some money right there. Well, I don't think the guy there that make it in there. These other guys that make it.
You want to?
I tell them to put more tree tomato and less beetroot.
You didn't like that one, so we go there.
Yeah, you can go there. Why now? Rack it up. Just jump towards this and the wheels and steels. Because you can just park in the shades up to the cane there right there. I'm probably gonna get a natural juice, a tree tomato with beetroot and some other things. Yeah, just rack it inside there. Oh, I guess you could have stay there. Yeah, family, so let's get this natural juice. Alright, let's get this stuff. Yeah, family, so we're actually waiting for a natural juice. And this is like the cane that they use, cane juice. It's a tree tomato with cane juice and beetroot. As you can see, it's making right there, family. Our brethren making it right there. Brethren making it. Blending. Only have to spend it how we're blending. Spending, how we blending all the juices, natural juice, cane juice, natural juice. Press. This is the tree tomato. It's red. Thank you. Yeah, family, so the juice is ready. You know, Miss Jam Tours like this juice. Miss Jam Tours get our juice.
Become my love.
Yeah. Tell me how it tastes, if it tastes different from the one we buy the last time.
You put a lot of tomato and less sugar.
I tell them to put more tree tomato and less beetroot. It's actually red, super red. How it tastes? Tastes good? Tastes like the last time. Yeah, man, Mr. Press. Thank you. Yeah, man. Yeah. Mr. Press. Mr. Cold Press.
You want me to receive money on my left hand so that money will run my phone?
That's how they say it is?
Yes.
Yeah, if Miss Jam Tour said when you receive money in your left hand, the money run away, the money don't come.
Yes.
I don't know about that, but
A right hand is always a receiving hand.
Yeah.
When you're greeting somebody, you greet them with your right hand. When I'm giving you something, I give it my right hand. They say when you give somebody their left hand, it's like you don't want.
Like so technically, if somebody give you money and you take it in the left hand, it's like you don't want money.
Hey,
You're
like
blocking the blessings of getting
like
money.
Them, the money will run away from you.
Okay.
when you're giving somebody, you always give in the right hand, greetings with your right hand, unless there's really something that will make you, and still they'll just say hi or just put it in your mouth. Left hand is not for Nanyo.
Yeah, fam, to hear Miss Jam Tours, the left hand is not the way to take something. Always use your right hand.
And you see, you want me to receive on my left hand. I'd rather drop that juice for me to receive on my right hand.
Yeah, Miss Jam Tours, she rather drop the juice before she receive money in her left hand. She don't want money to run away. She want money to stay. Alright, family, I really enjoyed this. It's nice. Like a pound of rice.
I guess when I start driving, I prepare myself to some accident.
So let's go to the market, family.
Yeah.
Let's
so
go.
Come to your driver.
Yeah, family, so we just get to the market. Miss Jam Tours don't want to get herself messed up.
Yeah.
So this
Also,
is what you do when you actually when you don't want to get to. This is like a lace family. You just tie it. So you do it.
Yeah, you tie it.
Tie it like that around your family. Today we're going this way. To the pole. We normally enter there and try to get where we can get there.
Yeah, this is how you tie your lasso.
Yeah.
You don't want to get dirty.
Yeah.
When you've gone for a wedding, any ceremony.
Yeah, so you do it.
But actually, not just that. It's advisable to carry a lasso all the time where you're going.
Okay.
Because why? Sometimes you might want to, or your dress might tear.
Oh yeah. So what can you see? So you walk and limp. Give me the bag. Give me the bag. Give me the light.
It's this thing.
Just give me the light. Come to your foot. Yeah, family. So we're actually in the market now. I just want to do a quick shop today. So the vlog won't be too much in the market. Let's go to our favorite lady, right? So we can get everything there. Yeah. The market dark today. Watermelon look nice. Watermelon. Wow. What it is? Yeah?
It's tasty.
Yes.
Is it for you?
Yeah, what is he saying?
You like it?
Hey, family, let me taste this mango with jam toast I give me.
Please assist her with that measure.
Oh, the scale.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, family, this is why Miss Jam Tours need the lace. You see? Come in handy now that she's eating the mango. Avocado. What else you need, sweet? Yeah, sweet potato.
I don't have it. I'm sure that this one's nice.
You can get up top.
Yeah.
You can get no papaya.
Oh yeah. We'll check after there. At that place we don't like.
Get a few coconut from that lady.
Okay.
What's up with that? Yeah? Yeah, family. So we're actually in Surrey Center to actually, get our ring size and see what type of, what type of ring we're gonna get, family. Oh, there's a lot of parking inside. So let's go. It's a good time because we're trying to get this thing.
One special day.
Well, we're just going this week for the interview, but it's gonna be soon. Alright, let me see what I like here. I don't want nothing too plain.
Pardon?
These ones also part of it.
Yeah. All of this.
I wanted these ones.
So you see, like this is a set.
Ah, that's the set.
This is like a set.
Oh, this one is nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks cute. That's what I was looking.
Wow.
But this is for me alone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But first, you gotta check our size, right?
Yes. The finger size. First you choose, and then the one you choose, I'll check the finger size, and then from that I will adjust to your finger size.
Ah, okay. So, that's small.
Like this is
Oh,
the
so for that one, they would have to make that one then, if it's a case. Right. Ah. So I guess this one, what about this one? You don't like this one? I like this
So
one.
this is even a set. Like this one. So one, and then this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I'm in love with this
Let me see this one. I like this one. This one is really nice. And these are real gold, right?
Yes, 18 karat gold
18
with
karat.
diamonds.
Which one did you see? Yeah, I'd seen that
You
too.
see, you like this one?
Yeah.
Let me try it. I guess this one they'll have to make this one. Cannot fit. Alright. What's this one? You'll have to take my
Yeah, your ring
size.
size. So you choose this one?
Well, I'm not making my mind yet. I have to see. This is the. Let me see. This one. This one is silver, right?
No, this is white gold.
White gold,
With
okay.
diamond. Yeah.
Okay.
So you see, you get this that. In diamonds, you even get this with the polish, but with black diamonds in it. So this is a matte finish, and that's a polish finish.
Ah.
Yeah.
This one looks better.
Alright, nice. And what's the price for this one?
Sure. Right now.
I know we have the one that is not matching the color. This is white gold.
So you're looking at 71,400.
Okay, that's Kenyan shillings. Right?
Yes, Kenyan shillings.
71,000. And for her?
For her, let me look for her.
But what I was trying to mention, instead of doing the green one, do the green one, or do this one.
So this you're looking at 724,000.
The next day.
and 24,000.
Okay, so almost $1 million shillings.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it comes as a set.
Okay, so that's
And then if you have anything, like we can even make for you from scratch. If you have a picture or anything, a design you like, you show it to us, we can even make it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the terms? You guys, you put the deposit down? Or does
Yeah,
it
you
work?
keep a deposit down. Once you keep the deposit down, we work on it. And you
Okay.
come back and you can find it for
How many percent to put down?
half.
Off. Okay, off. Okay. Nice. Right.
Yeah, so anything you see on the internet, any design that you
Any-
like, and you're
yeah.
just scrolling through, you can bring it to us and we can create for you. That is not a problem.
All right. Let me check the size.
Sure.
And then we see, because these rings are very small though. I don't
Yeah.
There's nothing that can fit.
Sure.
Wow.
$1 million shillings for a ring.
$1 million shillings.
Oh, this one, this.
Wow. It's nice. It's
Yeah,
cute.
looks good. It just to come off my people will content.
You twist it. Yeah, you twist it. Yeah,
Oh,
twist it.
okay. I hope I don't break it. It ended well, no coming. Jesus Christ.
Let me try and take it back first.
Yeah,
Take one.
Yeah, let me do one by one.
One by one.
It will come out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna break all the time.
Yeah, I don't want to break it off. Slowly by slowly, it's coming out.
That ring is not your size.
It's not my size at all.
The 13, there's no size 13.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. It's universal.
We size 13, we just write it down.
Oh, this one write it down for you. Size 13 universal. Size 13 universal.
I love all these rings. I think it just looks nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, try for you.
I'm sure your one is fun.
Yeah.
It can be 15.
It's too small.
That's small. To be this. Too big. Yeah, that's the size. Oh, is it tight for you? Or
Is it like
Try it again, let me see.
it's entering well?
and it comes
We
out?
don't want it to come out anyway.
Yeah, so if you don't count that
If it
much,
enters,
yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's fine.
I think it's fine.
Not coming out.
So you're a size 20, 20.5.
20.5.
Yeah, 20 and a half.
So that's 20 and a half.
Yeah. Let's try another one. But you're saying this thing is fine, yeah, like it's entering.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if it's supposed to, okay, that's a bit big. But if you do this, then it comes out. Yeah, so it's not supposed to pass by here.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try one
So
more
it maybe it
size.
should be 20.
Yeah, it should be around like 20.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Yeah. See? Yeah, like a 20.
So that's
Yep, 20.
20. So 20 universal.
Yes, 20 universal.
Okay. Yeah, what we're gonna do, because the appointment is this week, so we have to set the date, right? So once we set the date, we'll come and make a deposit. And how long you say this? Like, you say it's,
It's like, okay, you choose which design you want. That depending on that, because the prices vary.
Okay, okay,
Different
okay.
sizes, different weights, that's why it varies from that.
Oh, your number is there and everything.
Yeah, I'm writing your size, and then whichever one you choose,
Yeah.
that we can even make it bigger in your size.
Okay.
Yeah.
Consider I like this one.
Okay. And
I also like that one. The
This one?
first one I took here.
So that's the one you want?
Yes, but now they don't look the same like.
you guys want to match.
You want? Oh, yeah.
You want to match, yeah.
Alright,
So I'll have to
let's
look for another.
Yeah.
This one looks nice too. Not bad. What's your
what's the price for this one?
This one, yeah? This is looking at 3 minutes. Let me just confirm everything and give the final answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everything is
So you like this one? Okay.
Total is how much really?
431,000.
500k. So, yeah, so this is it. Yeah. It was 400 and hard, now it has 284 after she do the calculation. So it come down a bit. Yeah. So now you get the ring side. Ring size and everything. Alright family, so that's yeah, M-Pesa and stuff and pay bill. Yeah family, so as you can see the size are in 20 and 13. So let's go. So only thing leave for us now is to get the I think I just have to wait for them to open. Yeah family, so only thing leave for us now to get is to do the interview and get the ring family.
And get the wedding dates.
Yeah.
Yeah. After the interview, you have to get the rings because I'm sure we'll come with the dates. Yeah.
But as you know, family, we're trying to really get these rings really online. So that's the reason why we come for the size.
It's not like we are buying.
So we're gonna get those rings online. So, yeah, guys. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts.
Feel like,
We are out.
Feel like jumping.